Hello and welcome again to another Lego build, and today it's a nice little Christmas present I've had. It's a Lego Technic 41253 set, which is the NASCAR Next Gen Chevrolet Camaro. Looking quite nice at the front of the box. It looks like there's a lot of stickers on that. It's a 50 quid set, so I doubt there's going to be any printed pieces on this. Let's have a look at the back of the box. There's the normal road version of the car with some statistics. Some of the Technic features, so it looks like it's got the hand of God steering, and also a movable working engine. There's another side view of the car, and all those stickers. Happy, happy, joy, joy. But it should be a nice little collection to add to the rest of my cars and bits and pieces. So let's open the box and have a look what's inside. So Lego have actually now fulfilled their actual promise, which they've been doing it for ages, to put things in paper recyclable bags. So we've got four of these paper bags with parts inside, and we've got four of these stuck with little tyres, also an instruction manual, and a crazy amount of sparkling dazzly stickers. This is going to be great fun. So here's the instruction booklet. Now, there's not much detail in this book for a licensed set, but that's to be expected at a set of this price. So we've got the most basic of information. So we've got the 4 build stages, and we go straight into the build. And at the rear of the book, we have just literally got a few pictures of the Technic features and side on comparison with the real vehicle, bare minimum. And here is the part listings if you're interested. So this is what we have in the first paper bag for stage 1. Let's begin. So stage 1 is building the engine block of the vehicle. It goes all the way up to wow, it's only 29 steps. So we've just finished step 17 in stage 1, and we've got the first half of the engine sorted. So we've just finished step 29 and also phase 1. We have our front of our vehicle, the engine block. Let's have a look at this. So we've got a steering wheel here which doesn't move, which is expected really at a car this scale. If we rotate this mechanism here, moves all these pins here, mimicking pistons. We also have a second little section here, so if we twist this and shoot out, so if we move it, moves the steering left and right. Right, let's go on to stage 2. Right, let's open paper bag number 2 and see what's inside. So this is what's in bag 2, and in stage 2 we are going to be building the middle and rear sections of the car. So it goes from step 30 to 88. So we have now finished step 48 in stage 2, and we've got the beginnings of the differential setup. That spins around there, Also that spins there as well. So, right, let's carry on. Right, so we've now finished step 61 in stage 2, and now we've got 3 separate assemblies. So in 62, 63 and 64 we just have to attach this assembly to that, and then that assembly to the back of that. So we've just finished step 64, and we've attached the differential up into the engine. So if we turn the differential now, that drives the pistons at the front, and then we've also got the second system there on this green cog which controls the steering. So we've just finished step 88 in stage 2. So we've reinforced the entire chassis, and we've used the first of our wonderful stickers on here, and we've also connected another system here to the steering system, so look, we now have the hand of God steering. So if we turn there, turns that cog into that cog, and moves the steering down there. Quite cool. Let's move on to stage 3. Right, let's open bag number 3. And here are the contents of bag number 3. We've now got some chunkier bits, as we're going to be building the outside of the car. So stage 3 or bag 3 starts on step 89 and goes all the way to step 143, and we are going to be building in this stage the rear of the car, the doors, the rest of the roof, the windshield, and some more supports. So let's get building. So we've just finished step 98 in stage 3, and we've added some paneling to the rear section there, and using a lot more of these stickers, adding extra roof panels. These are a bit of a pain in the arse to put on, trying to get them to line up correctly. Let's continue. Right, so we've just finished step 112 in stage 3. This is where we are now. We've added the driver's side door, lots more stickers added on, and at least there's one piece there with a wheel arch which has got a printed piece, which is a bit of a relief. Lots of stickers already gone, and they are a bit of a pain in the bum to put on. So let's continue and do the passenger door. Right, so we've just finished step 126 in stage 3, and we've now got the passenger side door on, and also the other printed piece, which is the other wheel arch. And as you see, there's a different theme for each side of the door, different stickers. So all that's left to do now in stage 3 is the rest of the rear of the vehicle. Right, so we have now finished step 143 in stage 3, and also stage 3 is now complete. And we have now attached the rear spoiler and the rear of the vehicle. So we've got some more stickers, got the back lights, the Chevrolet logo, and we've also got the rear spoiler. So let's move on to bag or stage number 4. Now let's open bag 4. So this is what's in bag number 4. and we've also got the 4 tyres that were in the box as well. So this is where we are in stage 4. So it starts on step 144 and goes all the way up to step 179, where we put the wheels on. Right, let's start it. So we've just finished step 157 in stage 4, and we've extended the front of the car out, and we've also added a little engine cover or bonnet. So we've now reached step 170 in stage 4, and we're starting to add a lot more detail to the front of the vehicle. Just need to add this section onto the front here to complete 170. And we just need to finish the front and put the wheel arches on and put the tyres on to finish. So we've just finished step 176. We've now finished the body of the car, and there's the entire front end done. So we just have to do now the last 3 steps, 179, and put the wheels on. Right, so the build is complete. Overall, I quite enjoyed building this little car. Aesthetically, it looks, it's quite pleasing to the eye. Disappointed, obviously, about the amount of stickers compared to printed pieces, but you do expect at a price point of this set, about 45 quid I paid for it. The Technic features, obviously, we've got the Hand of God steering, which works quite well, and if we lift the little bonnet area up, of course we've got the moving pistons as well, which you can see moving with the bonnet open, which is quite cool. However, we do have this steering wheel that doesn't do anything, which also, again, for the price point is expected. But some of the features of the car, some of those stickers are quite good, even though they were quite fiddly to put on. The little shiny aspect on them was quite cool. Yeah, quite chuffed with this set. Do recommend for the price, and at an age rate of 9, it's not too challenging for a 9-year-old. My 7-year-old has built 2 cars with the same range at the same price point. Pretty much built them himself with a little bit of input from myself. So let's see how this compares to those. So these are the other 2 cars in the range that me and my son have built. So we've got the Bugatti Bolide, or Bolinde, don't know how to pronounce the Italian, and we've also got the Ford Mustang as well. They all vary in features. For example, this one doesn't have any steering at all, because it has the pullback system where you put a key in. It's been on the shelf, so I need to correct that. Also, this one does have fold up doors. It does have working steering, but if we look underneath, it doesn't have a differential like this one, but the drawback is it doesn't have any doors that open. So 3 very different cars for the same price, all have different features. Overall, I enjoyed building NASCAR, and I hope to see what else they bring out in this range in 2024. Right, so that's it for this video. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Ciao for now.